Hi, in this video I will show you how to log into multiple accounts on the Instagram. So if you have multiple accounts on the Instagram and you want to use that account on the same device, so now you can add your multiple Instagram account to your Instagram mobile application. Simply you have to click on the Instagram mobile application and now you have to click on your profile from the right bottom. Once you will do it, you will see page like this. After that you have to click on your username from here. Once you will tap on it, you will see I have two accounts here. Also you have to click on the add account and click on the login to your existing account. Once you will here, now you have to enter the login details here and click on the login. And once you will do it, your account will be added here like this. So in this way you can use the multiple or add multiple accounts to your Instagram mobile application. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.